Hello my friends! Today we are creating fun designs with gel overlays and of course our fabulous Dolo 3-second marble kit. We have already applied the tips, built the foundation, dry sealed, filed, buffed, so we have a perfect canvas to begin with. We will be working with Jealous Base, Destination Wedding Collection number 15, I Heart New York, and of course Jealous Color number 104 Luxury Shades. Apply Jealous Base about 2 millimeters from the cuticle line. Coating the nail evenly, wipe the brush, and then dip into the powder. Repeat this process on all the nails, tapping off excess powder as you go. Be sure to always wipe the brush after applying the Jealous Base. Dust off nails. Be sure to dust underneath. Next, we will apply a second coat of I Heart New York. This time, we're bringing it closer to the cuticle line, but making sure we do not make contact. Again, repeat on all the nails. Dust the nails off thoroughly. Next, apply a third coat of color to the ring, middle, and thumbnails. The ombre will be next. This time we'll be using and incorporating Luxury Shades number 104. Dust off all the excess powder. Be sure to get underneath the nails. Natural set sheer will be used to protect the glitter layer. Apply a layer of Jealous Base evenly across the nail surface. Using a brush, pick up the glitter powder and lightly tap over the free edge of the nail. Switching to natural set sheer and a new brush, pick up the natural set sheer and lightly tap over the nail bed. Repeat this process on index finger. For a more solid tip, you can also dip the tip into the powder. Dust off all the nails thoroughly. Now we're going to apply another layer of natural set sheer. This is needed to protect the ombre design when filing and buffing. Apply a layer of Jealous Base and dip into natural set sheer. Repeat on the index finger. Again, dust off the nails thoroughly. Apply the dry sealer as it hardens the product, and it is important to file each nail. After the sealer dry has hardened the product, you begin to file each nail. Then buff. Apply one more layer of your sealer dry. The nails will then be based using S&S Healthy Gel Star Base to the middle and ring fingers. The nails are then cured in an LED light for 1 minute. Using a gel pot color for the design, it's hand painted onto the Gel Star base. Each layer is then cured and the next is applied, creating the owl design. Once the design is finished and cured, a layer of Gel Star top coat is applied and cured for 1 minute on the LED setting. Next, the Gel Star top coat is applied, stones are placed on the nail, it is cured for 1 minute in the setting. Using S&S top coat, she applies 1 layer to the ombre nail and quickly places a stone. Repeating the same process on the index finger. Once dry, she does a second coat of the S&S top coat on the nail. For the thumb, the S&S Dolo 3-second marble will be used. You will need the Dolo base and top coat, white Dolo and black Dolo. Be sure to shake the black and white Dolo well prior to using. It's also important to have all the bottles opened and ready to go so that the base does not dry out. It must be wet to create the marbling effect. Apply a layer of the Dolo base evenly. Then apply black Dolo in a zigzag swiping motion. Next, quickly apply the white Dolo in a tapping motion to move the black to create the marble look you desire. Allow to dry. Next, apply the Dolo top coat to seal. Once dry, apply the S&S vitamin oil on cuticles. And voila, you're done. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please leave us a comment on what you would like to see next.